found my wedding dress. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as I'm sure you can tell from the thumbnail and the title of this video, I'm going to be trying on wedding dresses today, and I am so excited for this. I have never tried on a wedding dress. I've looked into wedding dresses. Don't let Nick see my browsing history. I have looked into wedding dresses, and there are a lot of styles to choose from. A lot. There's A-line, there's princess cut, there's mermaid tail, there's dresses, but now there's also play suits, and so now I'm thinking maybe I should wear a wedding play suit. And I haven't even been proposed to yet, so I mean, I'm jumping the gun a little bit, but I'm trying on wedding dresses today. I'm very excited about it, and again, they are from Wish, because we all know I'm kind of obsessed with that website. So I have a big old Asda bag just full of deliveries and parcels of wedding dresses. I have forgotten how many I've got, but we're going to go ahead and try them all on. I also do believe I paid for one of those puffer things that goes under the dress and makes it puffy. So I'm hoping that will make all the dresses look puffy. Gosh, almost took my nail polish off. I'm going to assume that this is the thing that pops out. Yeah! Nope, you don't go in that way. Wait, what? I'm confused. Boom! Yeah! I swear I've worn one of these before. Why have I... Oh! In my Halloween costumes video, I had one under one of the outfits. I remember now. Well, this one is a wedding dress one. I think it was like £4, so if you need something puffy under your wedding dress, this is not bad. You could hang this on the light and have just a nice little lampshade. Great idea, Jasmine, great idea. Okay, let's see what dresses we're trying on. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with what I believe to be the biggest package. It's the biggest package, but it's still pretty small for a wedding dress. So, that actually looks so pretty. Okay, my camera is not gonna pick this white up, wait a minute. Can you see this? That looks so nice. Okay, heavily unexpected. Was not expecting that at all. This looks really pretty. Let's... I'm so excited. Ooh. It's actually really pretty. It's really pretty. It's a one-shouldered wedding dress. I'm assuming it's cinched in here. It's got like a corsety bit at the back, so it'll cinch in, and then it just puffs out at the bottom. I'm so excited to try this on. Okay, you can tell it's not expensive, but it doesn't feel too inexpensive, and I don't feel like you can really tell from the look of it. But then again, what do I know about wedding dresses? I've never tried them on before. And this just looks... What is this? I'm so excited by this region of this dress. It looks really nice. Although I do not know how I'm gonna... Oh, there's a zip in it. Okay, so there's a zip in the bottom here. And it's a decent quality zip. And then you've got the corsety bit. I actually don't know how this is gonna go. This is going to be wrong, so please don't get angry at me, but I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. And meanwhile, let me know in the comments everything you know about your wedding, if you've thought about it at all. I'm so interested, and of course looking for ideas for the wedding that isn't happening yet, but who knows when I will get married. Okay, corset is done. We are looking cute. I am so excited for this dress. Okay, this is ridiculously hard. I really feel like I should have someone helping me. I'm kind of stuck. There's lace coming up here and I don't know where this belongs. How do you do a corset behind your back? So this is where I am currently. I'm trying to do a corset onto the front of me so that hopefully I can spin the dress round. This is a logistical nightmare. Oh, I think I just pulled a shoulder muscle. Gosh, this is ridiculous. I think my bra's going with it. My bra's getting twisted with it. Obviously it could be cinched in a little bit more, but I don't really have the capabilities to do that. First wedding dress I've ever tried. Kind of love it. Is it weird that I absolutely love this dress? I would happily get married in this. Obviously I'd want it a bit more tailored because this is nowhere near as tight as it could be. It's basically just what I could pull myself. But if you see people put corsets on, they're like, whoa, and they like make it really tight. So there's a lot of bulkiness around here because I cannot tie the back of this dress myself. I just cannot do it. But if this was a little bit more fitted, a little bit more tailored around here, I would happily wear this to my wedding. I don't know if maybe I'm just seeing it differently on screen. I freaking love this. I could wear a £20 dress to my wedding. And if you live in America, I don't mean pounds weight. Our currency is in pounds. So like $25 this cost me. $25, £20, and I would happily wear this to my wedding. I really feel like this dress is flattering on me. It's kind of giving me a bit of a waist, but as I said, this could go even thinner, so I could have even smaller a waist, and then it's like puffy, which gives me the illusion of like curls and hips, which I don't have. I love the little one-shoulder detail with the little flowers. I am a cheap date. I rarely drink alcohol, and I'll get married in a £20 dress. Nick is a lucky man. I am a cheap, cheap date. This is great. And the underwire thing is working great. Look how puffy it looks. It's holding it out a treat. This is amazing. I think I found my wedding dress. Don't let Nick watch this video because, boom. How cute is this? I want to get married in this. I actually really now want to get married. Just so I have an excuse to wear this dress. I'm free. Okay, so this is the next dress. And as you can see, it's in a teeny tiny parcel. Like the kind of parcel that a t-shirt would come in. I don't have high hopes for this one. Ooh, it's soft though. Okay, it's like a silky netting rather than a harsh netting. Okay, it's decent quality. Okay, so it is very, very cute. And I like the fact that it's short because my favorite like body part on myself are my legs. So I wouldn't mind having my legs out on my big day because that makes me feel confident. So this one is a shorter dress, I think, at the front and then a little longer at the back, which would be great. Okay. Okay, so this dress pales in comparison, doesn't it, really? So it is 100% too big for me. I can do this, and then if I pull this out, here is where my waist ends, and I don't even have the smallest waist, so it's definitely too big for me. But I think with the correct tailoring, it could look really, really cute. I'm getting more summer barbecue vibes from this. I definitely think this is something really cute you could wear to a summer party, a really nice event, a garden party, or if you're posh enough to go and watch polo, maybe you could wear this to go and watch polo. But I'm not necessarily getting wedding vibes. If we're talking about this as a wedding dress, I'm thinking maybe not. But if we're talking about this as a general dress, this is actually a really, really nice dress. It is of course too big for me, but if it were my size, it's a really cute dress and I have no other issues with it other than the fact it's too big for me. Like, it's soft, it's not itchy, it hangs well, there's enough layers that you can't see my underwear through it. I think it's a beautiful dress. I don't necessarily think it's a wedding dress, but then I guess it completely depends what wedding you're having, because a beach wedding is a very different vibe to like a castle wedding, you know? I feel like the first dress would very much be, I'm a princess in a castle, and this dress is more like, I'm chill, getting married on the beach, and the sun's coming, and there's wind and sea salt air in my face, and I'm just frolicking along the beach in my wedding dress, you know? Which I do think I want to do, which does mean I probably can't wear that first wedding dress. Then maybe this is the dress for you. I think it's cute. I think it's really cute. How many times am I gonna say cute in this video? Probably lots. It's my favorite word. Get over it. Okay, so this is the next dress, and is it a dress? This cannot be a dress. I'm pretty sure this is a lace tablecloth. I'm very confused right now. Let me stand back from the camera and show you what I've been delivered. Is this what a veil is? Like, do I just pin this to my hair? Is that a thing? Oh, maybe you just pin this to your hair. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. I look like a grandma. I don't know how this works. I honestly don't know how this works. I'm gonna try and find a picture of what I've ordered. Okay, so it turns out Jasmine just didn't read the description at all. The picture is of a woman in a massive wedding dress with this over her, and so this is what I've paid for, but I thought I was getting the wedding dress because all of the pictures are of the wedding dress. And also, if you wonder why I no longer show you what things should look like, I'll explain in the comments why I don't show pictures anymore in videos. Okay, this one is a little more weighty, but also, I don't know if you can tell, it's more of like an ivory creamy kind of colour. I wouldn't call that white. It's like an off-white, which I'm not the happiest with. I do want a white wedding dress. Interesting. What the heck? What on earth? So this is the dress from the front. Doesn't look awful, doesn't look great, but doesn't look awful. And then when I turn it round and show you the inside, look at these booby pads. When I hold it like this, look how far apart they are. Like, they literally go under my armpits. In general, the dress isn't too bad other than that. It's quite nice and weighted. It's silky, it's quite nice. The lace part of the dress doesn't feel too itchy, it actually feels quite soft. It looks like it could be pretty on the right person. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. I really, really don't like this dress on me. It's uncomfortable, it's itchy around my shoulders, the waist is here and my waist sits here, so it's kind of squidging my ribs a little bit, which isn't comfortable. It is too long, which means I'm standing on the ends of it. This booby pad is sitting perfectly. This one is here. Like, this is the outline of the booby pad, which is just not where it should be. Oh, for a second there, I thought it had pockets because there's like this little lip here. There's a little pokey out lip thing here, and for a split second I genuinely thought it was a pocket and I was going to change my mind, but I'm not going to. I'm sure there will be other people whose body type this maybe accentuates, but for me, it just kind of drowns me in a way. It doesn't really show off anything. I'm going to go ahead and say this one's a no, and I'm going to rate it a 1 out of 10, but before I take it off, I do think I'm going to try on my veil. I'm just gonna hold it because I don't have clips and stuff. So this is my veil. Ooh. Oh, it's quite cute actually. I don't know how to comment on a veil because I've never worn one and I've never really paid attention to them. So I'm not too sure what it's meant to be doing. I don't know what I'm meant to say about a veil. I don't know what you want to know about it. It's doing a good job of following me, but this is my veil. Ooh, wait. Wait. Oh, my eyelashes are getting stuck in it. You may now kiss the bride. Nope. Kiss the bride. Nope. Kiss the bride. No. Kiss the bride. No. You may now kiss the bride. I'm not very good at this. Okay, this is a little bit of a joke, right? Look at the size of it. It's tiny. Wow, it feels very, very thin. I'm sorry it's white. It doesn't like showing up on camera too much because it's quite a bright day. But this is the dress, and I don't know about you. I'm feeling 22. No, I don't know about you, but I think it looks very much like a very basic summer barbecue dress. Yeah, we'll try it on. We'll try it on. This dress is the worst of them. Look-wise, it's not too bad. I don't dislike it at all. It's actually quite cute. But feeling-wise and practicality-wise is the worst dress. The back just will not zip up. Not only that, I can't really move my arms to zip it up because when I do this, this starts really choking me in the neck. Like, I hate this whole contraption so much. It's rubbing a lot. Like, I don't even know. Yep, look, it's red. It's red because it's scratching me. Not only that, if I lift my arms up to here, that's as far as I can go. Any further you will see my underwear. But also when I then put my arms down, what's happening here? if you have the right frame to fit in this dress, I do think it would be perfect for a garden party. I don't think I would necessarily wear this as a wedding dress, but again, as I said before, your style. I'm just not feeling this dress. Well, I am feeling it around my neck, it's painful, but I'm not feeling it for a wedding. Also, it is so sheer you can see my bra underneath. I'm not too sure about my underwear, I can't tell. It's just very, very uncomfortable, and therefore I can't give you a nice, accurate, happy description of what it looks like because I'm not feeling it right now. I'm gonna take this one off because I hate it. I hate it, and we're gonna put on the last dress. Final package. It's a little bit bigger, this one. In fact, I think it's almost the same size as the first one. So I have high hopes. Ooh, okay. So this one feels more like what I'd expect a wedding dress to feel like. And then if I open it, oh, I think it might be inside out. Wait, it's inside out. I don't know how I'm meant to turn this in the right way. There's a lot of it. This is just, oh, I'm gonna ruin the dress. A bit of lace just definitely ripped on the zip. Why give it to me inside out? Oh my gosh, okay. This actually looks really cute. But this is definitely the best quality one so far. It is very, very similar to the first one in that it's got a puffy out bottom and then it's got the corset at the back with the lace down the bottom. This actually isn't too bad. I mean, it's got a good structure to it from what I can see. It's pretty, it's pretty heavy, and then I know my camera washes out white, but can you see on this lace there's like trails of sequins and little flowers all over the lace, and it's actually really quite beautiful. I really like the look of this one. There is netting everywhere. Ow, ow! Oh no. Oh no, I do not like this one at all. It's so similar to the first one, but I just don't like this one. No. No. Ow. Ow, it's so itchy. It is so painful. Oh, the pain is so real. Okay, first of all, I hate it. First of all, there is no way whatsoever that I can get the back done up. I can't get to it. Ow, it is cutting me so much. I cannot do it up without help. I just can't physically get round the back of me, and I can't twist it because my arms need to be through these. Otherwise it just doesn't work, okay? I've tried, I really tried, it doesn't work, and therefore we haven't got the full cinching look going on. But regardless of that, I'm just not a fan of this dress. It's uncomfortable around my neck. Moving my arms cuts into me. I think the lacing is cuter because it has the flowers on it. I do really, really like that. And then I love the detail of it, but I just don't like the style on me. I'm not as happy with this as I was with the first one. If you're a dress expert or a fashion expert, let me know the differences between these dresses, because to me, they looked almost identical holding them up and they look completely different on, and I'm just not a fan of this. So this is a no. I hate it. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get married in the first wedding dress, okay? Oh my goodness, look at how much that cut into my arm. I told you I was in pain. I wasn't lying. Look at it. I had this dress on for less than 5 minutes and it did that. So, I mean, there's no way I'd ever wear this to a wedding because by the end of it, your arm would be chopped off. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up for me. And yeah, I'll see you guys at next Friday at 6. Bye.